We have a 2002 and 1.5 liter motor, but right here leaks and it's going down in here. So I've already taken the bolts off here, 10 millimeters. Pull this off, and you can see right here we have water right there too. You see, it's been doing it for a while. So over time, it just puddles up and goes down into there, which is kind of odd. Hopefully, I can save this guy. We'll see. Oh, I'll get that. Don't want to lose that guy. We'll get a magnet that and grab it. Anyway, we're going to get this out. You can see the rust is caused down here. You can see it great, but yeah.